The market is full of different refrigerator styles these days. Some users prefer modern variants, while others prefer the classic ones. Sure, both of them have something unique to offer, but traditional refrigerators have been gaining a lot of steam lately. Top freezers, in particular, are high in demand these days. Sure, French doors and bottom freezers are excellent options, but top-mounted freezers are narrower, which makes them ideal for small kitchens. Despite not being as wide as other models, these refrigerators are quite spacious and can store a decent amount of food without any worries. Are you looking for a similar refrigerator for your kitchen or as a backup in your garage? Choosing these appliances is not easy, especially for people who are new to them. However, in this article, we will provide you with a list of the 7 high-quality refrigerators with freezers on top that you can choose from and one that you should avoid. Our top pick is the Frigidaire 30-inch top standing refrigerator. Its robust build and excellent storage capacity are a couple of reasons why it stands out from other appliances. It also has numerous kitchen-friendly features that allow users to prepare food and store it easily. So without further ado, let us discuss some of the highest quality top freezer refrigerators. We've researched and discovered 7 top-rated top freezer refrigerators, as well as one you may want to avoid. And now for the Freshness.com reviews of the 7 best top freezer refrigerators, plus one to avoid. Coming in at number 1, Frigidaire FF-TR 2021 TS 30-inch freestanding top freezer refrigerator. Frigidaire has been a prominent name in the refrigeration landscape. It is a subsidiary of a Swedish home appliance company called Electrolux. The brand has been providing people with excellent freezer refrigerator models since 1918. As each year passes, Frigidaire incorporates new technologies into its products, while also maintaining the unique elements that made their freezers famous initially. The Frigidaire Top Freezer FF-TR 2021 TS model is excellent proof of that. Its sleek stainless steel build will leave you in awe. You can install it anywhere, and it will add a touch of class to the area. Cooking enthusiasts will love this top freezer because of its convenient features and overall aesthetic. Its narrow build ensures that you can install it in various locations, like close to your counters or your sink. The device also provides efficient temperature control features. All you have to do is swivel its easy-to-handle knob, and you'll be good to go. The fridge also has an Icemaker, which makes it convenient for you to prepare fresh drinks and cold delicacies. Plus, it replaces LED lighting with incandescent lighting, so it doesn't consume too much electricity. If you are looking to upgrade your household appliances, grab this product first, as its demand is relatively high. It will fulfill several of your kitchen-related needs. Features: incandescent lighting, comes with a dairy bin and deli drawer, reversible door, optional Icemaker, 2 glass shelves. Pros: excellent freezer capacity, energy efficient, sleek design, excellent for kitchens, does not require frequent maintenance, user-friendly features. Con: slightly heavy. Coming in at number 2, Equator-Ascoli 10.5 cubic feet top freezer refrigerator stainless. Choosing a top freezer refrigerator for a high-traffic kitchen can be a challenging task. You must make sure that the appliance you choose is sturdy and can withstand rough use. Fortunately, Equator-Ascoli has just the top refrigerator for you. The brand is famous for its durable devices, and this model proves that. Equator's products are indeed stable. Its stainless steel finish promises longevity and very little maintenance. A monthly checkup is all you will need to prolong this fridge's life. The freezer and fridge have ample capacity, allowing you to store meats, vegetables, fruits, and dairy products for an extended period. You can also control the appliance's temperature, which lets you make adjustments according to the items in your fridge. The product's door is quite sturdy, but does not cause the refrigerator to shake if you shut it down with force, an option that very few top refrigerators have. Plus, this model by Equator-Ascoli is a freestanding one, which means that installing it will not be an issue. All you will need to do is place it in your desired area and plug its wire to an outlet. Unlike many other fridges these days, this one does not require a battery to operate. Furthermore, it comes with a 1-year warranty, so you can replace the fridge's faulty parts with ease. Features: glass shelves, does not require batteries, comes with 1-year warranty, sturdy door, stainless steel finish. Pros: easy installation, excellent for high-traffic kitchens. The fridge can withstand rough use without compromising its functionality. Temperature control feature is user-friendly. Con: the glass shelves are fragile. Coming in at number 3, LG 33-inch top freezer refrigerator stainless steel. LG's top freezers have been a mainstay in the electronic appliance world since 1947. Their recent 33-inch top freezer model has been making a lot of waves. Compared to several other similar products, this one is wider, offering more room to store food. The model's interior features, in particular, are quite outstanding. From its bright LED lights to its gliding pantry drawer, everything is efficient and makes this fridge an ideal option for kitchen use. Similar to most high-quality freezers, this one also comes with a stainless steel finish. You'll be wise to grab this appliance if you have a lot of people living in your house. It can accommodate several items without letting them go bad. You can even adjust the fridge's temperature to make sure the fresh produce, such as fruits and vegetables, last longer. Considering this model's large size, it surprisingly doesn't consume too much energy. It's a quality that you will notice in most products by LG. However, this one especially stands out because your monthly electricity bills with this model will be shockingly low. Features: clear dairy bin, wide deli drawer, Icemaker, factory installed, excellent freezer and refrigerator capacity, stainless steel finish. Pros: ideal for large households, low energy consumption, bright LED lights, temperature control features, more massive than conventional top freezers. Con: not easily portable due to the large size and absence of wheels. Looking to learn more about the best top freezer refrigerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Coming in at number 4, Avanti RA7316 PST 2-door apartment-size refrigerator. Are you looking for a spacious fridge that looks great and comes with several compartments for different items? If so, this model by Avanti would be ideal. With an overwhelming range of top refrigerators to choose from, you cannot go wrong with this one. The fridge is spacious, but has the perfect build to adjust medium-sized or small places. While Avanti offers a vast range of refrigerators, you will find it hard to come across a model as good as this one. Since the company's 30 years of producing these products, this one stands out the most. Why? Well, it offers users a perfect blend of old school and modern features. Its interior finish is excellent, and the fridge contains several glass shelves that fit its storage containers with ease. It also comes with several drawers that you can utilize to keep your fruit, vegetables, and dairy products apart. Few models have doors as good as this one. Opening them doesn't require much of an effort. Plus, they also have removable shelves that you can use to stash bottles and eggs without much of a hassle. The refrigerator and freezer doors are separate, and both of them are reversible. Features: blends old school and modern top refrigerator technologies. Removable shelves, superb interior finish, reversible doors for fridge and freezer. Pros: compact design, energy efficient, multiple storage containers, can fit in medium and small spaces. Con: interior lights are not as bright as other refrigerators. Coming in at number 5, Danby DPF-073 C1B DB 7.3 cubic feet 2-door refrigerator. You can find numerous top-mount refrigerator models these days. If you are looking for a model with modern features and an aesthetically pleasing look, opt for this one by Danby. While this company is not as famous as other ones on the list, its products are just as good. What sets this top refrigerator freezer apart from so many others is its efficient dial thermostat. You can use it to alter the temperature to your liking. The steel doors of this appliance are spotless. Therefore, you do not need to worry about fingerprints or dirt accumulating over it after some time. Wipe the dirt off with a clean and dry cloth, and your refrigerator will look as good as new. Also, you will not need to maintain this refrigerator frequently. Get a professional to check it after every 3 to 4 months and fix minimal issues, and you can prolong its life significantly. Automated defrosting is another excellent feature in this 2-door refrigerator. It eliminates the hassle you have to go through to remove the ice after switching off the appliance's power. The interior lighting is excellent. It activates as soon as you open the door and illuminates everything inside the fridge with ease for convenient vision. Features: the cooling device comes with a 6-inch power cord, reversible doors. There is a single wire shelf in the freezer compartment. excellent dial thermostat feature. Pros: spotless steel doors, low maintenance, 12 months in-home warranty, ample storage space, automatic defrosting. Cons: could use more compartments. Coming in at number 6, Bossin 3.2 cubic feet compact refrigerator 2-door mini fridge chiller and freezer. Bossin is a high-profile electrical appliance brand that is quite popular for its range of top-mounted refrigerators. You will love this model if you are looking for a fridge for your apartment, bedroom, office, dorm room, or any other small space. Its stylish 2-door design will add a touch of class wherever you place it. Despite being one of the smaller fridge models in this list, this model by Bossin has almost all of the modern functions as the other ones do. Its automatic temperature adjustment feature in particular is a standout. You can also adjust the cooling manually. The fridge has 3 glass shelves. They are easily removable and not as fragile as most shelves that you will come across. There is ample space to organize your drinks and food inside the freezer. You can pull them out easily without worrying about other items falling off. The refrigerator's reversible doors offer extra convenience by allowing you to store canned beverages, more food, larger bottles, and several other consumables. Features: reversible doors, stainless steel finish, temperature adjustment features, automatic and manual. Pros: ideal for smaller areas, visually pleasing design, does not consume too much energy, robust glass shelves. Con: the doors can get untidy quickly and require regular cleaning. Coming in at number 7, Euhomy mini fridge with freezer. Mini fridges with up-to-date features are hard to come by these days. While the market is full of compact refrigerators, very few of them offer the same satisfaction as bigger versions do. Fortunately, Euhomy is doing something about this problem, and its latest mini fridge model is a perfect example of that. The refrigerator has most of the modern features that you will need, and its quality is excellent as well. You will find this product to be ideal for your room or small apartment. Of course, it is not as spacious as more giant refrigerators, but it does the trick for people who are on a budget. Its freezing capacity is as good as other top quality brands out there. Furthermore, its energy consumption is on the lower side, making it one of the best compact refrigerators in the market. What makes this product stand out is that it is more spacious than your average mini fridge. It also has door storage, something that you wouldn't expect from a refrigerator as small as this one. Features: freestanding mini fridge, bright LED lights, humidity control drawers, reversible fridge door. Pros: energy efficient, ideal for small kitchens, does not weigh much, door shelves. Con: does not have an auto defrosting feature. Finding this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite top freezer refrigerators. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates. And now for the freshness.com top freezer refrigerators to avoid. Whirlpool 174 33-inch wide top freezer refrigerator with optional Easy Connect Icemaker kit. Whirlpool is an excellent brand for electronic appliances. This Whirlpool top freezer refrigerator by the company is arguably one of its worst. A significant reason why you should steer clear from this top refrigerator is its low storage capacity and weight. Kitchen users in particular should avoid this model. Sure, the Icemaker kit it offers may seem like an attractive feature, but it may be the only redeeming quality of this product. Its energy efficiency is not on par with the other refrigerators in this list. Pair that with the frequent repairs that this appliance requires, and you will instantly be looking for better alternatives. Does this mean that this device does not have anything going for it? No, but if you want an excellent refrigerator that offers you great value for money, you need to look at other options. Features: LED lighting, comes with pre-installed Icemaker kit, electronic temperature control. Pros: visually appealing design, spacious storage compartments. Cons: consumes too much electricity, requires regular maintenance. And now for the freshness.com final thoughts on finding the best top freezer refrigerators. Analyze what you want out of your product before choosing one without any forethought. Read about all the pros and cons of the above-mentioned top freezer refrigerators before choosing one. More importantly, think about how much space you have in your kitchen and the fridge's size before buying an appliance. That said, no matter which of these fine products you end up choosing, you will experience much more convenience while preparing your food, be it for freezing ingredients or getting ice for your drinks or desserts. Looking to learn more about the best top freezer refrigerators in this review? View the links in the description section and click to learn more. Did you find this review educational and entertaining? If so, please like this video and leave a comment below with your favorite top freezer refrigerators. Click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell to receive fresh weekly video updates.